It roll like ball from me rising cutlass. Send boy a dirt without no casket. 17 a fire, look out the exit. X outside where you know about it.
And roll like ball, me rising cutlass. Send the boy a dirt. Hey, whoa, people, right now the song starts, I'm gonna pull it up. Drop the 5 emojis in the comment section right now. Drop the 5 emojis in the comment section right now.
Easy na boy.
Drop the 5 emojis in the comment section. What's good YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Our back representing for Grenada. It's been a minute though, but right now we have D1 song called Wave. Guess what? Official music video. You see that? You know that, go people, like up the video, comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And I'll post every single day, right? Numerous times for the day, right? Grenada, dog. Grenada. We need to run up on the subscribe button, dog. You me I say, me know something there. Me have a few on the there. You know what I say? I have a few thousand on the there. You me I say, but we know so we can get more thousands of on over here. So you see me I said, just like come say, look. Me I be honest with you, no dog. You hear me? You see if you sang them not drop, me not know that because me subscribe to Noah X. Noah X, big up yourself, no bro. God, me I say you don't know chopping or you post you bad song them for Grenada and people. You see me go subscribe to Noah X. See me if you not subscribe to you. You me I say if you not people don't watch everything on me post, go check out Noah X for the baddest song them from Grenada. But so if me not see Noah X post that me say right now song now drop basically. You understand me? So, you see if you don't subscribe to the channel, people, subscribe. If you come from Grenada, subscribe to the channel right now. If you don't subscribe to it, subscribe and touch the bell and select all. You understand me? And then start recommend some song from Grenada. As you say, when I recommend them, when you comment the flag, I know say Grenada. Because, you see me post every day for Guyana, every day for Trinidad. You see me I say, I'm going to post the Send Kiss when Send Kiss drop song. Just like Send Kiss, Grenada and Send Kiss right now, dog. Me don't know say song not drop because me don't know who subscribe to that. So, I'm just spam them, song them, and comment the flag beside of them. And we know what I go on. You hear me? You know that go? But subscribe to the channel. That help me the most. Because analytics show which are people that watch me from. Basically. So I know how much percentage are from Grenada, how much percentage are from Guyana, how much percentage are from Trinidad. You see me as how much percentage are from Jamaica. You see me as how much percentage from America. So subscribe, I know something there. Yeah. Run tune! Wait, song call Wave. We do it already, right? Run tune! Hey, nothing real.
Steady, easy na boy.
Yo, Noah X. Alright. Whoa. Is that scandal bag my boy over me? Hold on. Go on, steady. D1, pick up yourself.
Steady,
Alright.
easy na boy.
Yo, Noah X. Oh, what the jungle bongo a go on? What the jungle bongo a go on, people? But yo, Noah X.
Send him out, all my dogs, ready him out. Yo, X team.
Yo, we think about that, go on. Alright.
It roll like ball from me rising cutlass. Send boy a dirt without no casket. 17 a fire, look out the exit. X outside where you know about it.
And roll like ball, me rising cutlass. Send the boy a dirt. Hey, whoa, people, right now the song starts, I'm gonna pull it up. Drop the 5 emojis in the comment section right now. Drop the 5 emojis in the comment section right now.
Easy na boy.
Yo, Noah, drop the 5 emojis in the comment section right now.
Send him out, all my dogs, ready him out. Yo, X team.
That's what I miss.
It roll like ball from me rising cutlass. Send boy a dirt without no casket. 17 a fire, look out the exit. X outside where you know about it. Fully active, one link, one dream. GM, TPC, house and scheme. What's missing, I know you can see him. Send boy a dirt like Van Helsing. Every clip long, rifle and limb.
No, we're gonna react to it now. People like out the video. People like out the bumbo clip video. You see me, I say, like my video, so my video get put out there. I'm more people are gonna see my reaction and go listen to the song. You see me, I say, big up Grenada, but watch the style. Go on. Alright. Ready
It
now?
roll like ball from a rising cutlass. Send boy a dirt without no casket.
Yeah.
17 a fire.
It roll like ball from a rising cutlass. Send boy a dirt without no casket. Me say you go bury. You don't get the proper funeral. You see me, I say, go on.
Look out the exit. X outside where you know about team. Fully active, one link,
Oh yeah,
one.
X team, big up X team too. Yeah, man, them say X team outside. What do know about this? What them know about this? Go on.
Dream. OGM, TPC, house and scheme. Body parts missing, I know you can see. Send boy a dirt like Van Helsing.
The man say them send boy a dirt like what? For some vampire thing, them man. Oh my cleat. Yo, go on.
Cleveland, rifle a left. Body drop a ground, head a bounce on the pave. Tall, rifle a wave. Bullet stop the long, shallow grave with the cape.
Clip land, you know. As me I say, body drop a ground and in a bottom hole. Lad. If you sang a bad tear up the like button and drop the fire emoji them right now. Talk to the people, me a D1.
Head gun, boy get a facelift. Empty the clip out of the 9X man bad. Rifle a wave.
Hey,
Rifle a wave, no me fear. Roll with the Glock anywhere. Light up the place like modern warfare.
light up the place like modern warfare. Oh, wow. People, me go say it to now again. Them name D1 people. Grenadian artists people. Grenadian dancehall artists people. Click the link in the description and go to the song for yourself if you don't want to see me react to it. But you say if you don't have my reaction. But what put I enjoy? Because me I enjoy that song here too. Richard!
Greens bad, you know see me out, yeah. Always keep a strap, me no borrow man thing. Black 19, man a power with no king. If it is the team, we a rise the machine. Rise the machine, we a rise the machine. Boy, dead pan the scene. Every clip.
You know what is going on? You realize you must sing about gun, you know. I must say one gun alone me see in the video, you know. I think I want fake one nice start. I be a cut like clip la. Yo, people, listen to some Grenadian dancehall music. Run tune.
Rifle a lift, body drop a ground, head a bounce on the pave. Rifle a wave, body drop a long, shallow grave with the K. Gun, boy get a facelift, empty the clip out of the 9X man bad. Rifle a wave, it roll like ball from a rising cutlass. Send boy a dirt without no casket. 17 a fire, look out the exit. X outside where you know about team.
Why the play look like boy so from Trinidad? No, hold on, talk living truth. Man, they look like boy. But people, I tell you now again, listen to some Grenadian music, alright? Noah X, big up yourself, people. If you don't want to find more Grenadian music like this, you see me I say upon a level what this step on right now or even better than this. If you don't feel say they go better than this, but trust me, Noah X production. Check him out. Anyway, Instagram, anywhere no one find him. Grenada, big up yourself.
About team, fully active, one link, one dream.
Fully active.
See house and scheme. Body parts missing, I know you can see him. Send boy a dirt like Van Helsing. Every Cleveland, rifle a lift, body drop a ground.
Someone in the dark cause I know shirt. Hey, yo.
Rifle next man bad. Rifle a
Green's bad. People go check out the man. Thanks for checking out my video, people. You see me I say more open enjoy my little reaction or whatever. You see me I say, you see me? Yeah man. I like more open like to change the scenery still. You see me I say I start, you know? We come inside now, we're not outside again like car, but I don't know, so the car this or the energy. So if we did at the car, imagine the energy we would have. And I inside the house me there right now. But imagine if we didn't at the car. I touch man. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs reaction boss. Peace.